Excuse me. Are you on the phone?
Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, my bad. This is kind of crazy. I don't have like a good pickup line or anything, but you're gorgeous.
Thank you.
I had to meet you. Hi,
Hi.
I'm Matt.
I'm Allison.
Allison?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You're still on the phone?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let you go.
Okay.
But we should do something crazy and exchange numbers, even though we don't know each other. And if you're cool on the phone, maybe we'll hang out.
Okay.
We'll see. All right, you have WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be fast. You can tell your mom a guy is hitting on you. All right, here. There. Allison, right?
Yes.
Okay, just put the number. And then I'll text you.
Oh, fine.
You work at the stores or you're shopping?
I'm just shopping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Take care.